In previous lecture, I discussed about electric potential. Today, I will discuss about capacitor. Capacitor is the device which increases the capacity. It is commonly used in electric motor, electric fan, etc. Capacitor the device by which capacity of conductor increases without increasing its area is called capacitor. The device which increases the capacity of conductor without increasing its area is called capacitor. When an uncharged conductor bring near the charged conductor, then the capacity of charged conductor increases. This arrangement is called capacitor. It is shown in figure. X is charged conductor. Charged conductor. Y is uncharged conductor. When an uncharged conductor bring near the charged conductor, the capacity of charged conductor increases. This arrangement is called capacitor. The charged capacitor is called collecting plate. Collecting plate. And uncharged conductor is called condensing plate. It consists of two plates. One is collecting plate and another is condensing plate. The name of capacitor depends upon the medium between the plate. In next figure, this is represented by the line charge Q given on collecting plate. Due to this charge, same amount of negative charge induced on inner surface of condensing plate and positive charge induced on outer surface, which is being earthed. The outer positive charge on condensing plate is earthed. Now capacity of capacitor, capacity of capacitor or condenser. The amount of charge given on collecting plate due to which potential difference between the plate increases from unity is called capacity of capacitor. It is generally denoted by C. If Q equal to amount of charge given on collecting plate V equal to potential difference between the plate, then C equal to Q by V, that is capacity equal to charge by potential difference. SI unit of C. SI unit of C, coulomb per second, coulomb per volt. SI unit of C is coulomb per volt. It is also called, in honor of scientist, farad. That is 1 farad equal to 1 coulomb by 1 volt. 1 millifarad, 10 to the power minus 3 farad. 1 microfarad, 10 to the power minus 6 farad. 1 nanofarad, 10 to the power minus 9. 1 picofarad, 10 to the power minus 12 farad. Dimension of C, IT ml2 t minus 3 I minus 1 m L2 T4 I2 m minus 1 L2 L minus 2 T4 I2. Capacity is a scalar quantity. Types of capacitor. It is of 3 types. First, parallel plate. Types of capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor. It is of 2 types. Parallel plate air capacitor. parallel plate capacitor with compound dielectric, with compound dielectric, spherical capacitor, spherical capacitor, cylindrical, cylindrical capacitor. Now we have to obtain expression for capacity of parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor. Two plane and parallel plate, in which one is collecting plate and other is condensing plate, separated by very small distance, is called parallel plate capacitor. Let XYZ parallel plate capacitor, in which X is collecting plate and Y is condensing plate. Distance between the plate is D, D is small. Area of plate is A and surface density of charge is sigma. Plate X has given charge plus Q. Due to this charge, same amount, that is minus Q charge, induced on inner surface of condensing plate and positive charge induced on outer surface, which is being earthed. Electric intensity at any point between the plate E equal to sigma by epsilon. Potential difference between the plate. Since we have to obtain capacity, therefore firstly we have to obtain potential difference and thereby C equal to Q by V. So potential difference between the plate V equal to ED. Putting value of E sigma by epsilon D. Since sigma equal to Q by A, Q by sigma A D. This is the potential difference between the plate. If C equal to capacity of parallel plate, then C equal to Q by V. Q, putting value of V, QD by epsilon A by D. We have epsilon R equal to epsilon by epsilon naught, epsilon equal to epsilon naught into epsilon R, epsilon naught epsilon R by D. If medium between the plate is air, then epsilon r equal to 1. Therefore, from equation 4, C equal to epsilon naught A by D. This is the expression for capacity of parallel plate capacity. Now we have to obtain expression for capacity of parallel plate capacitor with compound dielectric. That is when a insulating material is inserted between the plate. Parallel plate capacitor with compound dielectric. That is insulating plate inserted between the plate. Let XY is a parallel plate capacitor in which X is collecting plate and Y is condensing plate, separated by the distance D. The area of plate is A and surface density of charge is sigma. Between the plate, a dielectric of permittivity epsilon inserted whose thickness is T. In a dielectric of permittivity epsilon and thickness T inserted between the plate, then the thickness of air layer becomes D minus T. The electric intensity due to air E1 equal to sigma by epsilon naught, and due to dielectric E2 equal to sigma by epsilon. Potential difference between the plate V equal to E1 D minus T plus E2 T. Now putting U1 and E2, V equal to sigma by epsilon naught D minus T plus sigma by epsilon T. Since epsilon equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r, इसलिए V equal to sigma by epsilon naught D minus T plus sigma by epsilon naught epsilon r T. Sigma by epsilon taken common, D minus T plus T by epsilon r. Since sigma equal to Q by A, Q by epsilon naught A, D minus T plus T by epsilon r. This is the value of potential difference between the plate. If C equal to capacity of parallel plate capacitor with compound dielectric, then C equal to Q by V. Putting value of V, D minus T plus T by epsilon r. C equal to epsilon naught A by D minus T plus T by epsilon r. C equal to epsilon naught A by d minus t 1 minus this is the expression for capacity of parallel plate capacitor with compound dielectric. It is clear from this expression that when a dielectric is inserted between the plate, then capacity increases. That's all.